Hello students, welcome to my class. Today I am going to discuss few questions related to nuclear chemistry, and this time the pattern is JEE advanced pattern. Clear my friend? So let's start the topic, that is question answer round. Now look at the question. 22888X, there is an emission of 3 alpha particle as well as a beta particle take place. Now tell me what is Y. Here given, listen carefully what I am telling, that is the parent element is 228, that is 88X. Then what will happen? In first case there is a emission of 3 alpha particle take place. Okay my friend, if there is a emission of 3 alpha particle take place, then the new element will have mass number decrease by 12 and the atomic number decrease by 6. So the new element will have mass number 228 minus 12, that is 216, and 88 minus 6, that is 82, that is Y. This is the case. Now again, that is in this case, that is not only single alpha, 3 alpha, there is also one beta particle take place. If there is a beta particle take place, then there is a increment of atomic number take place, that is overall this one is minus and minus 6 plus 1, that is 1. Overall decrement is 5, not 6. Clear to you? So the final element will have mass number 216 and the atomic number 83. 83 is the atomic number of bismuth, Bi. We people know. So in this case, what is the answer? Check it out, that is Bi 83. But one more thing I have to mention here, check the things related to 228, that is minus 4312. 4312, that is 6 1 216, and the mass number is 326. 88 minus 6, that is 82. Yes sir, 82. And again, if alpha beta particle take place, then is plus 1, that is overall. That is the atomic number bismuth is correct, but here the mass number differs. So I will modify the answer. This will be better to represent 216 83 bismuth. Clear to you? So for this question we will say C is the correct option, because none of the option is accurately correct. So I am modifying this, so and will tell that is C is the correct option. Clear my friend? Now I am moving here, check it out what I am telling. Let's move to the next segment, next question. The next question is, a parent nucleus X is decaying into daughter nucleus Y, which in turns decay to Z. Okay, half-life of X and Y, that is what is given here. Write down the question again. Read, a parent X decaying into daughter nucleus Y. X decaying into daughter nucleus Y. Clear my friend? Which in turn decays to Z, that is Y decay to Z. Okay, this is the thing. Half lives of X and Y, that is in this case the half life of X is given 40, that is 40,000, and half lives of Y, that is T half, is given here, that is 20 years my friend. 40 years and 20 years. Now it is found that the number of Y nuclei hardly change with time. Okay, if the number of X nuclei in the sample is 4 into 10 to the power 10, that is given here, Nx is equal to 4 into 10 to the power 20 given. Okay, now what we need? We have to find Ny. Clear? If the decay constant of X is Xa and the decay constant of Y is lambda b. lambda A and lambda B. So what will happen? This is the case of equilibrium, and we know equilibrium case when happen, when the rate of formation of Y from X will exactly be equal to rate of decay of Y into Z. So the condition here, lambda A into, that is X, so better to represent here not A and B, better to represent here like lambda X and lambda Y. That is, now we'll write nx into lambda X is equal to ny into lambda Y. This is the situation. Am I right? As we know, we can write here, that is ny is equal to, listen carefully, ny is equal to nx into lambda X upon lambda Y. Am I right? But we do not know the formula of lambda X and lambda Y. We know lambda X is equal to 0.693 upon T half, what in case of X, and lambda Y is equal to 0.693 into T half, what, of Y. Now put this value, what will happen? I'm moving here, check it out my friend. That is, in this case, we people write here, wait for a moment. Clear? That is ny is equal to nx. What is the value of nx? That is 4 into 10 to the power 20. And in place of lambda x, we will put 0.693 upon T half x. Yes, clear to you? And now in place of y, what will happen? That is 0.693 upon T half into y. Am I right, my friend? Yes, sir. Now ny is equal to, we will write 4 into 10 to the power 20 into, that is, this will cancel, that is T half into y upon T half into x. This is the thing. What is the T half of y? That is 20. So final expression, ny is equal to 4 into 10 to the power 20 into 20 divided by 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 into 10 to the power 4. Am I right, my friend? Yes, sir. This will cancel this one. That is 2 into 10 to the power 21 minus 4. That is 2 into 10 to the power 17. And y is equal to 2 into 10 to the power 17. I'm moving here. Check it out. So what is the option here? So for this question, we people can say A is the correct option. What I'm telling, if you have a strong theory related to any chapter, then you can easily solve such kind of questions. Now, I'm going to rub this part and we'll discuss the next question, friend. Wait for a moment. Now, check out the question number 3. A radioactive isotopes having a half-life of 3 days was received after 12 days. Okay, it was found that there were 3 grams of the isotope in the container than the initial weight of the isotopes. Listen carefully. Here is given total time T is equal to 12 days. Yes, sir. T half is given here, that is, my friend, 3 days. Clear? And N is given here, tell me, 3 gram. Yes, sir. And we have to find the value of N naught. Then tell me the relation. As we know, N is equal to 1 by 2 to the power N into N naught. Am I right? Yes, sir. So put their value 3, 1 by 2 to the power N into N naught. Now the question here, we do not know the value of N. And now how to find the value of N? This is the question. We people know T is equal to N into T half. What is T? That is 12. N into T half is equal to 3. N is equal to 12 upon 3. That is, friend, 4. So what is N? N is equal to 4. Put here 3 is equal to 1 by 2 to the power 4 into N naught. Now 1 by 2 to the power 4 will be equal to 1 upon 16. I am moving here, check it out. 3 equal to 1 upon 16 multiply N naught. That is 3 into 16 is equal to N naught, and N naught is equal to 48 gram. This is the answer. I am giving you a detailed solution. It doesn't mean that you cannot find the short trick. I am not discussing the short trick because you have enough time to solve the question. But in competitive examination, when we go through the questions easily, then we will apply short trick. That is, during the end of the session, I will discuss the short trick to solve such kind of question. But right now, this is a preparing mode, so we have to modify the things. We have to go through the detailed solution, how to attack the question. Then we'll discuss. We have lots of time. This is the beginning of the year. Then in the month of December, in the month of January, I will discuss the short trick related to each and every questions. Clear? So for this question, we people can say, so D is the correct option. For question number 3, D is the correct option. Am I right? Yes, sir. Now I'm going to rub this part and we'll discuss the next one. Wait for a moment, friend. Now let's move to the question number 4. Look at 3 isotopes of an element. 3 isotopes of an element have mass number m, m plus 1 and m plus 2. If the mean mass number is m plus 0.5, then which of the following ratio may be the expected of m, m plus 1 and m plus 2? That is the thing. That is the best method to solve this question, that is hit and trial method. Use the option. Look at. As we know the formula, that is average or mean isotopic mass. Average or mean isotopic mass is equal to, what is the formula? That is mass number into the ratio plus mass number, that is the mass number of second isotope, m plus 1 into the ratio, and the m plus 2 into the ratio, the mass of the third isotope, divided by x plus y plus z, that is the ratio. Clear to you? Now if I put here the first option, that is x tends to y tends to z is equal to 1 tends to 1 tends to 1. Now check it out, what will happen in this case? That is m into 1, that is m plus 1 into 1 and m plus 2 into 1, and upon 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3. Am I right? Yes, sir, you are absolutely right. That is m plus 1 plus m plus 2 divided by 3. Now what will happen? M, that is 3m. Clear to you? Plus 3 divided by 3. Am I right? Yes, sir. Now common is 3. That is m plus 1 divided by 3. That is the answer is m plus 1. Now check it out. But here the average value according to the question is m plus 0.5, not m plus 1. So the first option is not correct. This is the best method. I am giving you the best solution for such kind of questions. Now let's check the second option. Here the second option has the ratio, that is 4 tends to 1 tends to 1. Am I right, my friend? Yes, sir. 4 tends to 1 tends to 1. Put the value, that is m into 4 plus m plus 1 into 1 and then m plus 2 into 1 upon x plus y plus z, that is 4 plus 1 plus 1. Clear to you? Now what will happen? That is 4m into 4, that is 4m plus m plus 1 plus m plus 2. Am I right? Upon 6. Now 4m plus m, that is 6m plus 3 divided by 6. Now what will happen? There comes 3 as a common, 2m plus 1 divided by 6, 3 to 6. That is what will happen, we get the output here, that is my friend, that is 2m plus 1 divided by 2, that is 2m divided by 2 plus 1 by 2, 2m upon m plus 0.5, my friend. Look at, we get the answer. And according to the question, I'm moving here, check it out. According to the question, it is given here, that is the average isotopic mass is m plus 0.5. So we people can say that for this question B is the correct option. So for question number 4 we can say B is the correct option. Clear, my friend? Now I'm going to rub this part and we'll discuss the next part of the question. Listen carefully what I am telling. Now question number 5, a radioactive element gets spilled over the floor of a room. Okay, its half-life period is 30 days if the initial rate is 10 times the permissible value. Clear to you? After how many days will it be safe to enter the room? Clear to you? Now how to solve such question? Read the question carefully. Read the data here. Here is given T half is equal to 30 days, my friend. Yes, sir. What is given here? That is initial rate is 10 times the permissible value. If initial rate is 10 times, that is in terms, I am writing here the in terms of n is given here, that is 10, and and not is given here 10, n is given here x, that is 10x into 10x. That is a simple method in terms of initial rate. So we can write initial rate, that is 10, and actual rate is x. Clear to you? So if initial rate is 10 times the permissible value, so in terms we can write initial rate is equal to 10x, and the permissible value, that is permissible rate, that is, my friend, we can write like this, x. Clear to you? Now what to find? We have to find the value of t. Now how to solve such kind of question? We people know lambda is equal to 2.303 upon t log n upon n naught, that is initial 10x upon the permissible rate x. Now this will cancel this one. What is lambda? We will put here lambda is equal to 0.693 upon t half. What is t? Here is t, that is 2.303 upon t and log 10. What is the value of log 10? So 1. The value of log 10 is 1. Now put all the data, that is, wait for a moment, my friend. That is 0.693 upon 30 is equal to 2.303 upon t, and log 10, that is the value of log 10 is equal to 1. Now what will happen? That is 0.693 into t is equal to 2.303 into 30. Now t is equal to, tell me what will happen? T is equal to 2.303 upon multiply by 30 divided by 0.693. After solving we get the value around 99.6. Rounding up we get the value upon 100. So time t is, my friend, what is? In this case I am moving here, the answer is A, that is the 100 days. Am I right? This is the answer. For question number 5, we people can say A is the correct option. Now I'm going to rub this part and we'll discuss the next question. Wait for a moment. Clear? Now question number 6. in the reaction 2,1H plus 3,1H, 4,2He plus 10N, if the binding energy or energies of 2,1H, 3,1H, 3 and 4,2He are 1, 2 and C, then the energy released in the reaction, very simple, that is energy released delta H will be equal to, here given C, 2,1H, here given A, and 3,1H, here given B. So the energy release in this case C minus A plus B, normal reaction, as we have studied these things in thermodynamics also, C minus A minus B. That is, for this thing, delta H will be equal to C minus A minus B. For question number 6, C is the correct option. Okay, now I'm going to rub this part and we'll discuss the thing again. Now, let's move to question number 7. Look at, if 0.4 curie be the activity of 1 gram of a radioactive sample whose atomic mass is 226, then what is the half-life period of the sample? What is given here? What is the half-life period of the sample? Now he is given here then what is the half-life? Activity will be the activity of 1 gram of the sample. That is the question. So in this case, we all know dN upon dt, the rate is given here 0.4. So put here, that is the rate, or we can say minus dN upon dt is equal to lambda into n, my friend. And we know lambda is equal to 0.693 upon T half, and n is equal to given mass upon atomic mass multiplied by Avogadro number. Clear to you? Whose atomic mass is, yes, that is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Now what is rate given here? 0.4 curie. 0.4 into 3.7 into 10 to the power 10 disintegration per second. Clear to you? Now after solving, that is put the value 0.693 upon T half is equal to, what is the given mass here? That is, given mass here is 1 gram. So put here 1 upon 226 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23, my friend. After solving, we get the value of T half. Clear to you? We get the value of T half, which value will be around 1.2 into 10 to the power 11 second, A option. Still, I have given you a calculative part. I am not here to remember all the options. But if you solve this question, definitely will get the answer A, B, C and D. And what I estimate, the answer may be A. And I have a solution. And you can easily solve. This is a mathematical type questions. Clear? Now I am going to rub this part and we'll discuss the next question, and listen carefully what I am telling, my friend. The next question is, check it out. Look at the question number 8. Which of the following make up an isotonic? What is isotonic species? That is if the species have same number of neutrons, then these are known as isotonic triads, isotonic species. Now in case of first option, check out whether they contain same number of neutron or not. The first option, that is 14, 6 and C. Now 16, 8 and O. Now 15, 7 and N. Am I right, my friend? Yes, sir. Now in this case, what will happen? What is the number of neutron? 14 minus 6, that is 8. What is the number of neutron? 16 minus 8, that is equal to 8. And what is the number of neutron? 15 minus 7, that is equal to 8. Look at this pair have equal number of neutron, and these are isotones. So for this question number, option number A is correct. Now check out the option number B. Look at here, 7632 GE, that is germanium. That is 7733 AS, arsenic, my friend. Yes, sir. The next one is 7531 gallium. Now check it out in this case. What is the number of neutrons? 76 minus 32. 76 minus 32 will be equal to 4 and 4, that is 44. Clear? And in this case, next one, what will happen? That is n is equal to 77 minus 33, that is 44. Now in this case, what will happen? 75 minus 31, that is again 44. So we will say B is also correct because they contain equal number of neutrons. Now I'm going to rub this part and we'll discuss the next question. Wait for a moment. That is, what is the question? Listen carefully. Next option, that is, check it out. C. 4018 AR, that is 4019 K and 4020 calcium. Am I right? Yes, sir. Now check it out. N is equal to 40 minus 18, 22. N is equal to 40 minus 19, 21. N is equal to 40 minus 20 is equal to 20. Look at, they does not, this pair, they do not contain equal number of neutrons. So this is not an option. Now check it out, the option number D, that is 233 uranium 92. That is 232 90 thorium and 239 94 Pu. Now find out the number of 9 Pu. Yeah. Now neutron 233 minus 92, what will happen? That is 141. Check it out, 141. Yes. And in this case 233 minus 90, what will happen in this case? That is maybe 3, that is 4, 143. 143 in this case. Look at and in this case, what will happen? 239 minus 94. 239 minus 94, that is 5 and 4, 145. 145 plus 94, that is 239, that is 145. If you compare this number of neutrons, they do not contain equal number of neutrons. So these are not isotone. So this is also a wrong answer. So for question number 8, we people can say that is A and B are the correct option. This is a multiple choice question in JEE Advanced examination. Now let's move to the next question. What is the next question? Match the following. This is one of the simplest question. You can easily solve such kind of questions, my friend. Tell me what will happen in this case. Check it out. 2/3 life. 2/3 means 75%. That is, the answer will be 75 or 2 into 2 halves lives. That is 2 into T half. Now average life, I have discussed this thing. Average life, that is 63. The time required when the 63.2% decomposition of a radioactive substance take place. Complete derivation was given by me. Now 1 upon lambda represent average life, which is also equal to 63.2%. 10 times of a half life, we will know that is 99.9%. So in this case, what are the correct option? For A, we will say Q and R. For B, we will say that is P. For C, we will say that is P. And for D, we will say that is S. Clear to you? Now check these things. A, Q and R, B, P, C, P and D, C. This is the option related to the question number 3. This is a matrix matching question. I think now you are very much familiar with this question and can solve such kind of questions very easily. Now let's move to the next one. Look at the periodic table of consists of 18 groups, and isotopes of copper on bombardment with proton undergo a nuclear reaction giving element X as given below. To which group element X belong in the periodic table? As we know, this is an example of nuclear reaction, and nuclear reaction we have to balance the atomic number as well as mass number. Now check it out, how to find the X. Look at, in left hand side there is 63 plus 1, 64 total, and 29 plus 1, 30. Now here 6. Clear? And 0. Alpha we know 4 and 2 He. 6 plus 4, 0 plus 2 balancing. Now 2 plus 2, here is plus 2. Now add them, 6 plus 4 plus 10, that is 12, and 2 plus 2, 4. So x will have 64 minus 12, that is my friend 50, is it 64 minus 12, and 30 minus 4, 30 minus 4 is 26. Now 64 minus 12, that is 2, 52. Am I right? That is 52. Clear? Now we can easily say, yes sir. Now we observe the answer. That is, X has atomic number 26. So X has atomic number 26. That is nothing. That is iron. Iron has atomic number 56. And in which group it belongs? It belongs to 8 group. Group 8. So answer will be 8 group, and this is a direct question from IIT JEE competitive examination. In nuclear reaction we balance the all one, upper and lower this thing, that is mass number, and compare then all things. You will put this value, you will get that is 64. You count here, you also get 64, and atomic number 26. So it belongs to group 8. So for question number 10, that is 8 group is the correct answer. Now I think you are very much familiar with such kind of question, and it will boost you a lot. Now let's move to the next. Now repeating the question for question number 1, what is the correct option? This was not completely correct. I have modified this. So for this question I am taking into consideration that is C is the correct option. Now for question number 2, what will happen? The answer will be, I hope so, that was around, I have solved this, that was the answer will be around 2 into 10 to the power 17, maybe, that I remember, and I have given you the detailed solution for this question. So you can easily solve for such kind of question. That is the A option. For question number 3, that is the D option. For question number 4, we people know B is the correct option. For question number 5, I have given the detailed solution. A is the correct option. For question number 6, C is the correct option. For question number 7, that is the answer is A is the correct option. I have given also a detailed solution. If there is any confusion, then you can solve my calculation, then definitely you will get the answer. That is for question number 8, what are the correct option? A and B. This is multiple choice question. Now for question number 9, what are the option for A? That is Q and R. For B, that is P. For C, that is also P, and for D, that is the S. Now for question number 10, that is Fe. X is Fe, and which belongs to 8 group. I think now you can easily solve such kind of questions. You practice the question, practice more and more question. I'm always here to help you. Till then, friend, time is calling. Time to say bye bye. Thank you so much.